What's up, everybody? It's your girl Passion Monet, and I'm back again with another video. So I'm going to get right into it. Right here I'm just putting on my extra long, extra pointy stiletto tips. I used these in previous videos, but I'll link it down below. I got these from Amazon. So right here I'm just pinching the tips, and I do that just so I can make sure that it's absolutely like blended with the nail, sort of blended, as flat as it could be on the sides, because I want to prevent lifting. So right now I'm just getting the shine off my nail with my nail file, and I'm also trying to blend the tip in with my natural nail as much as possible so it could be an easy application. And I'm just dusting off all of that extra dust. Now I'm going to go in with my Burano base coat from the Polygel kit, and I'm just going to apply that onto the natural nail. And this is just going to make sure that the Polygel adheres to my nail really well. And then after I apply that, I cure that for 2 minutes. Okay, so today I'm going to use this Magic Orange Polygel as well as the Magic Purple. And these came in my Burano Deluxe Polygel kit. As y'all know from way back in my previous videos, I had this kit for the longest and I never used these two. So I wanted to try it out today and do some little temperature change nails. So I'm taking my slip solution and I'm just spreading that all over the nail as much as possible, trying to get it as flat and as sculpted as I want it to be. And I'm taking off any excess so the nail won't be too bulky. Just making sure I get it as sculpted as I want it to be, smoothing out as I need to. Now this Magic Purple, it comes out, well, as you saw, it kind of came out kind of clear, and then as the temperature changed it got to like this, it's light purple right here, but once I put it in some water or like anything cold, it'll get a little bit darker. So I cured that, and now I'm on to the next nail. I used the Magic Orange for this one. So you could kind of see the orange color with this one, but you'll see it better as I put it in cold water later on in the video. So I'm just sculpting that out, as you can see. I'm using my slip solution. Once I feel the brush getting sticky with the Polygel, I just dip it in the slip solution and it just smooths right out. Now I'm going to go in for the middle finger. Okay, so for the smile line, I did it with Magic Orange, and I wanted to, I used this nail tip right here just to get the excess off, and I went in with the Magic Purple on the top, and I'm just smoothing that out, getting all of that excess. I don't want to waste it, so I just took that excess and filled in the other parts that needed to be filled in. Okay, and I'm just continuing the same process for the remaining 2 nails, just smoothing it out as I need to. This one I kind of put too much on it, so I had to take it off, take a little bit of that off because it was just way too much. And keep in mind, as I go to each nail, I cure each nail as I go for 1.5 to 2 minutes. I really don't need that long, but I want to make sure it's completely dry before I go to the next nail. And I'm just doing the pinky right now. And this was a super easy set. As you know, polygel is like really easy. It doesn't move anywhere unless you sculpt it to how you want it to be. So it was pretty easy. All you gotta do is just cure it for 2 minutes and you're good to go. So after I got this pinky nail done, I just went in with my fouling and just shaping it and making sure it's perfect. You'll see that coming up. But it's pretty much an easy install. Well, not an install, easy set. I'm thinking about hair, y'all. But yeah, it was a pretty easy set to do. Just cure that for 2 minutes. And I'm just going in with my shaping and fouling as I mentioned before. Really, I didn't really have to do too much shaping and fouling because it's already pointy. But like, see this nail right here? The pointer finger was kind of wicky wacky, so I had to get that together, y'all. And after I get through filing and shaping, I'm going to go in with this gel top coat that I got off of Amazon. And I'm just going to apply that to each nail. And after I did that, I cured that for about 1.5 minutes, I believe.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like...
Okay, so now I got my bowl of ice cold water and I'm just going to show you how the temperature change goes. As you can see, it's slowly changing.
I do have these things. They're out there.
Slowly.
They're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave
See
myself
that? Just so cute.
5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated
Put it back in.
1995, just before.
And look at that color, y'all. And this is the final product. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to see future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.